Good morning guys and happy Sunday. I'm about to head into a Legree class at noon, which is in about an hour. But before I go, I wanted to give you a little update on how my office is looking like. There isn't much changes to be honest, but I did move Howell's cat tree over here on this side. And once I moved it over here, he immediately started sleeping there. So I think that's a sign that he wants to keep it there and he prefers that location instead. And then over here, I did move all of the boxes into the closet over here just temporarily so I could get a better feel of what the room is like without so many boxes taking over the space. But a lot of you guys have actually commented on my last video that I should try moving my desk to this side of the wall where the window is. I'm still kind of like debating, and at least the good thing is we aren't gonna make an IKEA trip until maybe later this week just because of our schedules, and we just haven't had time to dedicate an IKEA trip in general. So yeah, I think that'll have to wait. But until then, I am going on Pinterest and kind of like making a mood board of what my aesthetic, what the aesthetic I want for my office and the vibe. That said, I do have this paper shade from Hayes that I've been holding on to for over a year. I have two of them actually. And I just never got myself to hang it in my other place because, I don't know, something about like not having a permanent space makes me not want to decorate, but I really want to hang this here. So the light fixture is right above me right now, but just imagine if it was this instead. So like you would kind of see it like this. I really want to do this, but I just need to figure out how to change the light fixture. This is the medium-sized one, and I do have a larger size, and I thought I would put that in like our bedroom or someplace else, but I think I'm gonna leave the bedroom one as it is, or we'll see. It came with this black light fixture. I mean, it's coiled up right now, but you could just imagine how long it gets, and I don't need all of that length, so maybe I do just need to cut it myself.
Did you check on it?
No? Oh, did you ask? Yeah. Okay, I think something is burning. I'll check in with you guys later. Oh, thank you so much. Hello guys, the cafe audio was really bad. It's honestly my mistake for filming at such a loud place, but anyway, I'm hopping on to just tell you guys about how I've been trying to reprioritize and reorganize my life, specifically because after this big move, there was just so many things that we had to do, and a lot of things kind of got backed up on the pipeline, the things that I'm working on specifically. So I'm here at the cafe to just organize everything through Notion. When I was first using Notion, it was very overwhelming to use because at first glance, it could be very overwhelming. Like, it's a huge productivity tool app and it could be kind of confusing to use at first. However, I will say that Notion recently introduced Notion AI agents, which helps you get started a lot easier and more seamlessly. I honestly wish that this existed 5 years ago because it's so helpful and basically makes your entire organizing process a lot easier. Notion AI agents is basically like your personalized AI chatbot, specifically within your Notion workspace itself, and it could help you do basically anything you want it to do. It could help you create and edit Notion pages, summarize or organize your information across all of your workspaces. It could also just connect to all of these external tools, so it basically has the context that you would have to help you just boost your productivity. I think the best part about the Notion AI agent is that it could be very personalized to you, and you could even rename it. I named my Mew Mew after a Japanese cat that I met at a Japanese cafe here in Seattle, but basically it really hones into your own voice and gets that context from your existing workspaces and also just resources that you provided. So I just wanted to show you guys some realistic examples of how I'm using it in my life currently. The first and most important way I'm using Notion is to track all of my projects projects, whether it's content creation or like personal coding projects, within something that looks like a sprint board. And instead of making the Notion page myself, which probably would have taken like, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, I basically just asked Notion AI agent, my Mew Mew, to create it for me, and I just ask it to do it, and within seconds it'll just create a board for you or whatever you want. This is the main reason why I wish Notion AI existed like 5 years ago, because I feel like it just really streamlines your entire productivity process and how you want things to look, and overall it just really minimizes the time that it takes for you to start planning. So as you could see on my Notion board, it kind of emulates a sprint board in my opinion, and I could have a priority status and also the status of the project itself, and I have a deadline that's more dedicated just for me. It's not a strict deadline at all. And what I like about this particular sprint board is that I have this database for subtasks, so I could basically have all the subtasks linked to the major project, which is like the parent task basically. You could also have a calendar view. This is what I did just to kind of have like a visual aspect of when I want things to get done. Another very useful thing that I do here on my sprint board is to ask Notion AI to review all of my tasks in the current sprint and basically reorganize it to high priority and lower priority things. It just helps me analyze my sprint board and automatically reorder or tag items that it thinks that I should prioritize, and it really helps me. Like I could even look at it and kind of review it myself or reorder things if I want to prioritize certain things more this week. But it's just overall something that alleviates your mental capacity in terms of planning. So that's another little quick tip to use if you're using Notion AI. Another thing that I'm trying to get better at is tracking all of my habits. I'm not really sure what happened, but a few months ago I just kind of got off with my workout schedule. It's really hard for me to just find dedicated time to work out, which is kind of funny because I quit my 9 to 5, so you would assume that I have more time, but that's not really the case. But basically, I'm trying to track my workout habits as well as other habits like reading, because I really want to get into reading again. So I created this tracking board just to have all of my habits visualized for me, because it's something that I really want to, be strict with. So again, I asked Notion AI to just create a very quick habit board for me. I honestly never used any sort of planning mechanism for my content, but given that things just get a lot busier these days, I just wanted something to have on my priority list, especially if it's like brand related content. And what I really love about Notion is that it could help me draft emails or summarize like my scripts that I'm working on right on my workspace itself. And it's just one of those things that I don't need to switch different platforms to do, because I will use like Claude AI or ChatGPT, for example, to help me draft emails. But now that I could do everything here in my Notion workspace, it just minimizes the context switching that I have to do to get my work done, for example. So this is a really cool little addition to the workspace itself. Also, it's very important to note that Notion AI is very specifically tailored to me and my voice, so it knows how I would want to word things or script out things when it's helping me rewrite stuff. So that's really important to know when you're working with AI in general. It really doesn't take long to kickstart anything you're doing with Notion. I think I only took like 30 minutes at the cafe to just write everything, create new pages on Notion, just because Notion AI is there to like speed up the process. So if you're interested in like looking for ways to organize your life, especially with the new year coming up, you should definitely check it out. I'll leave more details down below, and I'm just excited to finally have something visualized to organize the rest of my year and also going forward. I've been browsing IKEA just to see what I want for my office and other things that we need around the house, just so that we don't spend so much time at the actual IKEA warehouse, because it's kind of like a trek to go there from where we are right now. One of the things I really wanted to pick up from IKEA was another one of those side tables that we put right behind our couch as like a bookshelf. But I see online that there's only one left at the store, and there's no pickup available, there's no delivery, so there's no way that we're gonna be getting that one left. I guess we'll just have to wait yet again for it to be available. So we went to Costco, and we had to make this purchase. It is their warehouse cat scratcher, and I just think it's the cutest thing ever. For $11, I would say it was definitely worth it. So let's set it up. It actually comes with a lot of pieces. This even comes with this little shrimp toy. Oh my god, it's adorable. All right, done. It's actually really cute. This is very unrelated, but my lamp broke the other day. You could see here, this is where the base was, and it just completely tore off. I don't know what happened, but I think it was just meant to break at some point because this base was super brittle, I suppose. So I am now in search of a new lamp to put in the corner of my office. Honestly, it kind of sucks because I had this lamp for 3 years and I just really loved it, but I did save the shade. So I'm hoping that I could use this someplace, maybe get a different lamp for it and just have the shade somewhere. But I feel like this is too good to not utilize. I could even hang it somewhere too, but we'll see. Matt just finished making a video and we're making dinner with basically the leftovers of all the ingredients. I prepared us this salad with some bitter lettuce and regular lettuce, green onion, and this green garlic aioli sauce. And we also have chicken cooking right now for the protein, and that'll be our dinner.